Introduction to the trigonometry. So when you see the word trigonometry, so already you know about the triangle. Tri is nothing but 3. Here, this is the word of the mixture of the 3 words. Tri, gonia, and metron. Here, gonia is nothing but here in Greek. These are the Greek words. These words are the Greek words whenever you are taking into consider. So trigonometry. So it is a mixture of these 3 words. 3 gonia sides. Metron is nothing but measurements in English whenever you are comparing these 3 words. So we are going to take the 3 sides, but here we are going to learn in the trigonometry, right angle triangle only will be taken into consider. And 6 right angle triangle whenever you are taking, in the right angle triangle, any right angle triangle, in the right angle triangle, 3 sides will be there. And when you take the ratio of the sides, how many ratios is possible when you are having the 3 numbers? 6 ratios are possible. Every ratio is given to you with respect to the one angle. One name was given. So there are 6 different ratios were given to you, 6 names, different names. So here that they are called trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric functions we are going to learn in class 11th class. That is different from the trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios we are going. Ratio is nothing but here one number comparing the quantities by the division. 2 quantities को division से compare कर ले तो means divide कर रहे तो then we call it as a ratio. Ratio का definition क्या है? What is the definition of the ratio? Comparing. Definition of ratio बोले तो बहुत ज़्यादा लोग नहीं बोल सकते. Dividing the 2 similar quantities by the division. You can compare the comparison. Comparison can be done. अभी बॉयज गर्ल्स में वो 6th क्लास में रेशियोस एंड प्रोपोर्शन चैप्टर होता है, उसमें होता है इंट्रोडक्शन. अब बॉयज इतना है, गर्ल्स इतना है. बॉयज आर 5 members more than the girls, you can say like that. But when you are comparing these number, similar quantity बोल रहा हूँ, quantity should be similar quantity by the division से compare कर लिया है, then we call it as a ratio. So here like that we are going to take the trigonometric ratios. So the main trigonometric ratios are 6 trigonometric ratios. So A, B, C. Angle B is 90 degrees is taken. So what are the 6 different ratios we are going to have here? Let us see here. Okay. So BC by AC we are going to have. BC by AC. Okay. And AB by AC is one ratio we are going to have. Okay. So here, and most of the students will have the one habit of trigonometric ratios whenever you are dividing, saying the base and height बोल के बोलता है. Here whenever you are taking base and height there will be a confusion, but instead of that I suggest you people to take the opposite side and adjacent side concept only. Why? Because it was habituated to the most of the students that, because as some people are saying that base altitude, because if it is given to you base and altitude, okay, ये base होता है तो ये altitude होता है, but angle whenever it is changing, okay, I'll tell you here, these are given to you, this is given to you that BC is the opposite side to this angle. ये angle है, ये angle को, angle A को, ये क्या है, opposite side होता है. ये क्या है, adjacent side में है ना, ये hypotenuse, this is fixed hypotenuse. So don't write this is fixed opposite side. समझ में आ रहा है ना? अभी angle change कर लिया तो base and altitude if you are taking, आपको दिखता है यही बेस है, बेस इज नथिंग बट ये नीचे है वो ही बेस है, ये बेस है ये altitude है, बट एंगल चेंज हो गया तो दोबारा कंफ्यूजन होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई बेटर यू टेक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ऑपोजिट. एंगल को ऑपोजिट साइड क्या है वो ऑपोजिट साइड मान, एंगल का एडजेसेंट साइड में क्या है, साइड एडजेसेंट इसको साइड में, सर ये भी एडजेसेंट है ना साइड में है ना, बट ये हाइपोटेनस फिक्स्ड है. अदर देन द हाइपोटेनस व्हाटएवर द साइड इज देयर which forms the angle, angle क्या फॉर्म करेगा, that is called as a adjacent side. Suppose आप a angle C ले लिया, if you are taking angle C, then opposite side become a. So that's why better you take it. Don't consider that base and altitude, it confuses a lot. That's why it is not given even in your textbook also. Textbook में भी ऐसा नहीं दिया है, आपको आप क्लियरली देख लिया तो, बिकॉज इट वाज मेड विद द डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस्ड पर्संस. बट ये कुछ लोग है ना इजी करने के लिए ये बेस अल्टीट्यूड ये सारा चीजें से कुछ इजी करने के लिए, बट सबसे इजी एंड विदाउट अ कंफ्यूजन विल बी दैट you need to take the concept of opposite. What is the opposite side for the angle? Adjacent. Okay. Angle C. एंगल सी का अपोजिट क्या है, एंगल सी का एडजेसेंट क्या है, ये भी याद रखना. एंड द थिंग इज दैट whenever you are taking like this ratios, whenever you take 6 ratios are, and here you need to take that sine of that any angle if you are taking, suppose if you are taking sine angle A is equals to, here compulsory angle should be there. That angle may be given to you in degrees or it may be given to you in radians. एंगल सिंबल लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है, इफ यू आर नॉट राइटिंग आल्सो then it means that it is angle only, but as you know that here in a triangle ABC, A is the angle only, A represents. Normally it is not necessary to write the angle here, but that is angle only. Sine A is nothing but opposite of A, एंगल A का opposite है by hypotenuse. So what is opposite of ये A का opposite क्या है, BC है, so BC by AC. So do remember that sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. You have to remember that sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse, and cos A is nothing but opposite of A, sorry, adjacent of A by hypotenuse. So ये का adjacent क्या है, AB, so AB by AC हो जाए. Don't fix that AB by AC always. You have to keep in your mind adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. Next, tan है. Tan है. So when you are taking the tan here, it is, that's what I am saying, perpendicular and base terminology you forget. It is the ratio of the opposite of A by adjacent of A. तो A का opposite क्या है, BC, and A का adjacent क्या है, AB. This is equals to even sin A by cos A also. Tan A is equals to sin A by cos. The remaining three ratios are reciprocals. So cot A is the reciprocal of tan. Tan का reciprocal. Cot A is a reciprocal of tan. So that is nothing but you can write here 1 by tan A also. Or you can write it as a cos A by sin A.
So what you in the so what you take the ratio of tan below the each other. The tan so tan is value to reach the opposite value.
Adjacent है. Adjacent of A. So BC by AB, and here it is adjacent. So cos A by sin A. So cos A by sin A is nothing but, we will get these two also you can use for the cot A, or adjacent of angle A by opposite of angle A. So cot A is nothing but adjacent पहले लेना. Otherwise, you can take the just reciprocal of this one. ये उसका उल्टा करो. So what you are going to get automatically AB by BC आ जाए. AB by BC. Got it? So if you see that AB is the adjacent to the A, AB is the adjacent to the A, BC is the opposite to the A. So cot A. Next is the secant A, which is the reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal is 1 by, so 1 by cos A. 1 by cos. So 1 by cos A is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent of A angle A. So hypotenuse is here, AC fixed here, and adjacent of A का adjacent है AB. Next, cosec A. Cosec A will be given to you in short form. Actually, these are all here short forms. Originally, this is SINE, sine, but only first 3 letters are taken. This is cosine, cosine. So here, first 3 letters are taken. This is tangent. This is cotangent. Cotangent. So इसमें cot. This secant. Secant. First 3 letters. ये क्या है? Cosecant. So but here cosecant ने first 3 letters ले लिया तो cos already आया. So that's why cosec लिखते हैं हम. और in some books, even cosec will be written in a short form CSC also. Very rare, you are not going to see, but in some books also will be written that CSC. Wherever you see that CSC देख लिया, CSC angle लिखा है, trigonometry related, that you have to consider it as a cosec. And cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So 1 by sine A. Hypotenuse by opposite. Opposite of angle A. So hypotenuse is AC and opposite is BC. So depending upon the angle it changes. Even suppose if I am asking sin C here, sin C पूछ लिया. आप लोग normally sin बोले तो you are mostly will remember that base and perpendicular terminology. Most of the students will remember this one. But whatever it may be, I don't suggest you to remember the base and perpendicular terminology. Okay. So here sin C is because C angle means C का base means इसका base नहीं बोल सकते है ना. Base is nothing but in this which one can be taken as a base. We cannot consider that this is only the base. But if you are taking C opposite side, C का opposite क्या है? AB है. So AB by AC हो जाएगा. Sin C means. Cos C means C का adjacent. C का adjacent क्या है? BC. So BC by AC हो जाएगा. And tan C AB by BC होता है. Because ये दोनों को डिवाइड करना है ना. Directly you can write the both the numerators AB by BC. ये 3 आ गया. इसका reciprocal. Cot C means reciprocal लिखना है. इसका reciprocal is BC by AB. But until and unless you practice, cot is nothing but आपका दिमाग में या क्या याद आना है? Cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite. Cot is adjacent by opposite. Tan is opposite by adjacent. Sin opposite by hypotenuse. Sin opposite by hypotenuse. Cos adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan adjacent by opposite by adjacent. Tan. Cot is adjacent by opposite. Secant is hypotenuse by hypotenuse by adjacent. Cosec is hypotenuse by opposite. So these 6 things always you have to go on rotating in this. And if you want to remember here, you can frame that sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Sine opposite hypotenuse. Yes, O H. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Like this, if you SOHCAH. And for this, I am giving the one task to you. You can frame the some sentence. ना ना आप लोग फ्रेम कर लो ओन फ्रेम कर लो इधर उधर सर्च नहीं करना बिकॉज देयर यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड इट आई एम आस्किंग यू टू फ्रेम द वन सेंटेंस विद दिस स्टार्टिंग लेटर्स सो इफ यू आर फ्रेमिंग you are going to remember for a lifespan because हम लोग कुछ ऐसा सेंटेंस बना दिया तो वो सेंटेंस याद रख दिया sentence याद रहते हैं. So then it is an easy task to you to remember. Yes, sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is nothing but it is a very simple thing. Two things only you have to remember: sine and cos. The remaining all as it is you are good. So based on this only we are going to have the exercise 8.1. Exercise 8.1 problems. Let us see here. This is trigonometry ratios, but I will suggest you people to take the different triangles today here itself. 10 different triangles you take and name them in different way like this. As an I'm going to give you the one example to you here. One example I'm going to give it to you now here itself and I will make you to practice. आप लोग बोल दो ऐसा different 10 triangles, 10 right angle triangles with the different names you need to take and you practice so that you will be able to remember. I'm going to give you the right angle triangle like this. ये right angle triangle है. Okay. KDS. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangha. I have you take your own names. If I am taking RUK, I will take Ragi Uday Kumar. You take your own name, your mother name, your sister name, your like that based on that something whatever you like. Some people love India. Some people only because everyone actually. But I know that IND ले लो. एक नाम IND ले लो. Now here you write the trigonometric ratios of which angles you can write here trigonometric ratios of only acute angles, not the 90 degrees here. Even we are going to get the 90 degrees only, but we are going to take the ratios whenever you are taking. These are the ratios will be given only for the acute angle. So let us take the for the S. Sine S is equals to हाँ S का opposite क्या है? First hypotenuse identify करो. Only hypotenuse लिखो. Hypotenuse is what? 90 degrees का opposite क्या है? वो hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. KD by SV or VS. क्या लिखते हैं? SV लिखते हैं. KD by SV. Next, cos S is equals to S का adjacent क्या है? KS by SE. tan S. अब इधर से मत देखो. tan S is nothing but आपका दिमाग में क्या आना है? Opposite by adjacent. So S का opposite ये है KD. S का adjacent क्या है? KS. Next, cot S. cot S ये तीन कैसे लिखते हैं ना बहुत ज्यादा लोग. सुनो सुनो ये तीन लिखने के बाद ये कैसे इसको डायरेक्टली उल्टा लिखते हो गया काम खत्म. नहीं आई एम आस्किंग यू टू प्रैक्टिस के लिए लिखना है तो ये देखना नहीं. ये बिना देख के खाट बोले तो आपका दिमाग में क्या आना है? adjacent by opposite. Okay, adjacent by opposite. cot is nothing but adjacent by. तो S का adjacent क्या है? KS. S का opposite क्या है? K. cot. Secant S. One triangle you write like this. For next triangle you write in disorder. पहले tan लिखो, next sin लिखो, next cosec लिखो, next secant लिखो. समझ में आ रहा है ना? If you are doing like this, गेम की जैसा खेल लिया तो then automatically you are going to get it. Okay? समझ में आया ना? So secant S is equals to क्या है इधर? हाइपोटेनस पहले लेना है. हाइपोटेनस को SV लेते हैं. SV by adjacent लेना है. S का adjacent is KS. Next cosec S is equals to SV by KD SC by K like this view. वन एंगल का हो गया, दूसरा एंगल बी है, बी का भी लिख सकते हैं। बी लिखते समय क्या करो, पहले टैन लिखो, टैन बी, उसके बाद कोसेक लिखो, कोसेक बी, उसके बाद साइन लिखो, साइन बी, उसके बाद कास लिखो, कास बी, नेक्स्ट कॉट इज लेफ्ट ओवर, कॉट बी, एंड व्हाट इज लेफ्ट ओवर, सेकंड बी, सेकंड बी। ऐसा पहले लिखो, सब डिफरेंट ऑर्डर में लिखो, then after you write the ratios. Like this, you practice the 10 different triangles so that you are going to get the correct knowledge. Okay? You do it?
Yes, sir.
Next, let us start the exercise problems. Exercise 8.1. देखो,